Good day, scrapper. Today, as I promised you, last vlog I was scrapping a Sony LCD TV, a flat screen. So now today I'm gonna do the boards which I just took from that TV. I think we have, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boards from that TV. So today I'm gonna do depopulating the precious metals inside these boards. For example, just like this one, we have here a heat sink. This is a piece of aluminum. What else? There is also, we can take MLCC. There is plenty of it. A flathead, a BJ, IC chips. Also this connector for HDMI or HMIDI, something like this. There is a golden plated pens inside, so it needs to be checked also. The other side, we can take also capacitor, tantalum capacitor, MLCC. Usually we should start with the power supply board for the TV, because we have 1 transformer, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 transformers, 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5 spools full with copper, and we have 1, 2 secant heat sinks. This is pure aluminum. What else? It's crystal something. It's really value. So, but actually I can recognize it from the color itself. So we have plenty here. Let's just start. And then we can use a small magnet to collect it, just like that. You see, it's so tiny. I think you don't see it. I'm trying so you can see it. I'm not sure. You see, it's that thing here, shining a little bit. It's like a small dot. Put it here. Let's get the other one. Okay, I'm gonna use, I can work. Yeah, that one. Okay. Good. That's good. And that's it. These, I think, I'm not sure if these are relays or spools. Really, I think it's relays. Yeah. We have big MLCC here. That's 1, that's 2. See that one? Where is it? See it? Yeah, it's shining there. That's it. It's big. It's good. Sometimes they came in tiny size, and sometimes they are big and chunky. So this one is broken, doesn't matter. You can collect it by magnetic. Can be used again, because usually the people who are using furnace, something like that, they collect the value or the precious metal in it. They can get the palladium from it from inside it. So it doesn't matter if it's broken. Sometimes it's broken, so no problem. So as I told you, because it's a Sony TV, so I was sure that it's a high quality boards inside. You can find a lot of precious metal in these boards. I usually collect it and then I sell it to people who love to do these things. They have the furnace, they have the time, they have, each person, he got his own hobby. What I like is just to collect, to scrap, and to recycle in some way. Doesn't mean that I'm doing all the recycling, but I'm participating in most of the recycling. So in this way we can help the environment, improving the environment for the people. Wow, what a big chunky MLCC. This is the first time I saw something like this. This is too big, man. Wow, look at that. Can you see it? It's so big, man. Well, actually this time I'm using a small magnet to collect them. I saw it in one channel on YouTube. One guy, I think he's Australian, I'm not sure. Before I was using, I don't know what they call this one, PEX or something like that. It's so difficult. But this one, the magnet it's more easy. You can collect it with it after you snap it from the board itself. You can see the board itself. There's a lot of dust. Sometimes each board contains, it's written there some numbers so you can know the part. But after a while, you just have the knowledge to recognize, the difference between MLCC and the other thing they call it, starting with L. It's similar to the MLCC, but the color is more darker. It's not bright. Sometimes it's coming in black. Sometimes it's coming in light brown or dark gray. So after a while, you have the knowledge and you can how to make difference between the two of them. They call it transistor, something like that. It's really good. You can get silver from it. It comes in different colors, sometimes in blue, in black. Usually sometimes I'm working on the board 2 times, 3 times, because each time I found something else that I forget or I recognize it from the first time or the second time. Or even maybe I forget about it. I forget the other side. Since I start scrapping, and e-waste recycling. So this is the first time. Wow, this is good, man. This is good. Okay, guys, we finished from this board, the power supply board. We took all the value things. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transformers, and 1, 2, 3, 4 spools. So, sorry, can't see. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transformers, and 1, 2, 3, 4 spools. It's full with copper. So this board, we took all the value things in it. The chips that we can see here, just like this, it's actually full with copper inside. Then don't bother yourself to take it out. Even this one, I think this one and that one and this one is a spool also, I'm not sure. And if there is a spool just like that, it means that it's full with copper. Even if it's small like that, but it's full with copper. The other board, now we have this one. This one is actually full with MLCC, and we have tantalum capacitor here. We have maybe two. Let's see the other side. The other side is empty. Each time you are scrapping a good quality appliances or TV or computer for one of these big brands, be sure you will find a lot of MLCC, tantalum capacitor, ceramic capacitor, a lot of these. And even after you depopulate these electronic boards, you still have a profit from that. You can sell this precious metals to people who are interested in recovering, palladium, silver, platinum, gold, a lot of things through eBay. And you have the old boards which you depopulated. You can just accumulate it and then you can sell it through eBay also, or some scrapper. You can contact them through Instagram, Twitter. You can have a good deal with them, and they can buy it from you. So the whole thing here, what I'm doing is really, it's fun, and it helps environment. That's why I'm doing it. Okay, we're back again. Scrapper. Now I finished depopulating most of the boards. Not all. Still there is the IC chips. I gotta take it out, snap it out from the boards. But I'm gonna show you the amount of things that we can, what I got from this board. For example, you can see here, this is MLCC, and here some plated fingers plated with gold. And I have here one crystal capacitor. I have here maybe 4 or 5 small IC chips. Here I have, most of the, not all of them. This is some resistance that it contains silver. So, but still there is a lot on the board. And where I have here too much, maybe 21 spools filled with copper. And I have here some pens that it contain the same like this one, golded plated fingers. And we have some aluminum heat sinks, and some metals. Also that one is golded plated fingers. Some ferrite, it's metal. Some people, they like it. Sometimes it can be saleable on eBay, but not that much. Okay, here we can see, these strips is filled with plated fingers here, full with it. Also, I have here these boards. It's a very high quality plated fingers here. I have around maybe 3 or 4, and they will weight the amount of copper I did get it. See how much we get. It's 46 grams, 1 point something ounces of copper. Still, if I get this one, if I get this copper from here, it will be maybe we can get around at least maybe 55-65 grams of copper. That's what I'm showing you now, is what you could do, or you can enjoy scrapping and e-waste recycling, using your useful time in something useful. I love it, and I hope you enjoy my vlog, and see you again in another vlog. Bye bye for now, and don't forget to share the vlogs, give me thumbs, and subscribe if you don't, please. Bye bye.